मुझे आवाजें सुनाई देती है.
कौन सी आवाज है?
एक हाई पिच्ड लड़की और एक लो पिच्ड लड़के की.
That was a quote from the 2002 film Raz, in case you weren't able to make out. And Raz was directed by Vikram Bhatt, starring Dino Moria, Bipasha Basu, Ashutosh Rana. And to talk about Raz, with me in the studio is my co-host Urjit Awani.
हेलो हेलो.
और इस एपिसोड के हमारे जो गेस्ट हैं ये कोई राज नहीं है. He's one of our most requested guests. He is a writer, comedian. He is on one of the most successful podcasts in the country right now, and we'll talk to him more about that. He's also a father and a comedian I mentioned. But please welcome to Has It Aged Well, the one and only Mr. Kautuk Srivastava.
Thank you so much.
Kautuk, we both went with the theme of the episode. We're discussing
Yeah.
a horror film. If you can't make that out,
Yeah, in case, in the middle of this podcast, you went like, क्या है ये genre?
Yeah. And I took the movie which sort of rips some parts off.
And
Urjita
dressed
just
up as a tree. The bark of a tree.
Kautuk, welcome to Has It Aged Well.
Thank you guys.
I mentioned this when Neville was also on our show, that there is seems to be an overlap between TISS watchers and Has It Aged Well watchers.
Yes.
Because every week there is at least one comment which says ke Neville ko bulao, Kautuk ko bulao, Varun ko bulao, all of this. So it's taken about 97 episodes, but finally you're here.
I'm very happy
Welcome
to be
to the
here.
show.
Yes.
Thank you guys.
Before we get into Raz, you're on TISS, which is the internet set, so
Yes.
which, like I mentioned, is a very successful podcast. Before we begin with the movie, I have to ask, what goes into doing a successful podcast, Kautuk? What goes into doing a podcast that sells out an auditorium? Because we have exactly 3 people here who work for us, who are our audience.
It's been, I think, close to 5 years that we've been doing the internet set show.
Yeah.
And this conversation is the most that anyone has called it successful. This is the most times that someone has said successful podcast. I mean, I think what goes into it, the sincere answer would literally just be, I feel, the biggest part of it is chemistry. Because we've been like friends for like 10 years and or more actually, and only 5 of them we've been doing this. So,
one second. Why didn't you meet me 10 years ago? This could have been a much better podcast.
I'm
Urjita.
sorry.
I'm
sorry.
We should have been friends since you were born. It's your fault.
2 साल में जितना केमिस्ट्री कर पाए हम कर लिया पास.
dude, and I feel like one is that, and secondly, oddly enough, like the fact that the pandemic hit,
Right.
and people had the time to watch podcasts, to listen to podcasts, and they didn't have a social life. At that
Most
point in
importantly,
time.
yes.
Yeah. So they're like, we'd like to listen to 4 people talking.
Right.
So I mean, not that that's the main thing, but that's, I think, one of the other things that happened at the same
But
time.
I think it was a big deal even before the pandemic.
Yeah,
Because I don't want to make you sound old, but when I was in school and college, I have heard your ex podcast that shall not be named.
Yes.
And I remember my cousin actually introduced me to you guys. So
Yeah.
literally within 2 days, she introduced me to the entire stand-up comedy world.
Wow.
उसने pretentious movie reviews दिखाया.
Yeah.
She showed me your ex podcast
Yeah.
and she showed me EIC.
Yeah.
All 3 of, and AI भी मुझे पता था
Yeah,
पहले से.
yeah.
But yeah, all 3 of them, and I was like, wow, these guys are so cool. Oh my god, wouldn't
Yeah.
it be so cool to talk to them about movies someday individually? Wow, what a life.
Little Urjita's dream has come true, guys, today.
Oh my god. Urjita, please dream bigger. Like, this is but that's also a big factor in it. I feel like we had 150 episodes of practice before getting to this podcast.
Right.
I think it's just,
So what you're
it's all
saying
of
is
those
my
things.
next podcast will be the one where Jo Phatega.
Yeah, and she has to steal this podcast from you.
But
I don't, मुझे उसका कारण नहीं बनना है.
But Kautuk, whenever I have spoken to you, of course we knew each other from comedy.
Yeah.
I've always been fond of your takes. I don't know why this has become a Kautuk appreciation podcast. We're going to get to
I'm very happy. This has aged well, really.
Yeah.
Also, this
and-
doesn't happen a lot, by the way.
Oh, yeah?
I don't fawn
Yeah,
over my
yes.
guests,
Oh
Kautuk.
my
It's a
God.
rarity.
Yes.
But we've had general conversations about film and
Yeah.
cinema and everything. So you have been on the guest wish list for a long time. I have to say though, like whenever I thought of discussing a movie with you, Raz was not like in the upper echelons of movies.
You know, I tried discouraging him many times.
Yeah,
in subtle
and
ways.
Urjita was like, "वो तो defend करने लगा यार."
Kautuk called me to say कि अरे नहीं सच्ची पसंद है, माँ कसम मैं मजाक
Yeah.
नहीं उड़ाऊंगा फिल्म का.
Yeah.
So, when was the
Yeah.
last time for this podcast did you watch Raz, or do you remember watching Raz?
We actually watched it, my wife and I. So I have to just tell you a few things
Yeah.
before I
Yes,
tell you
please.
this. So I'm a huge horror fan.
Okay.
Okay, I like the genre. I enjoy this thing. It's one of the most thrilling, like visceral formats of storytelling, right? And not just that, I also like cheesy, the B grade
Right.
horror, all of
Yeah,
that stuff.
yeah,
Like I
yeah,
enjoy that
yeah.
as a thing. So, and thankfully, I have married a person who has the same sensibility.
Amazing.
Okay,
Yeah.
so both of us, anytime there is like a new bad horror film
yeah.
or whatever, or anytime that we're sitting and we go like, kya dekhe? That thing ki
What
you
is our
don't
go-to
know. Yeah,
film?
like
Yeah.
I have time.
Go-to
I
genre.
don't want to scroll through stuff. So what can we? So we always land up on some kind of like horrible, like cheesy horror
Yeah.
movie. So during, like, I think it was recently, we had some time together and we were like, what do we watch? It's been a while. Like, so she says, let's look at Raz. Right? That's really been a while.
It's an
That's-
internal hesitation going on between the two of you. Let's look at Raz today.
Yeah, I mean, like, we didn't. It wasn't that intellectual.
Yeah, you're just tired at the end of the day and
It was
you
like
want to watch something.
it was in fact more of a it was like more of a nostalgic choice.
Sure.
कि
course.
बाकी सब हॉरर मूवी देख लिए
हाँ.
कि एक क्लासिक देखते हैं, राइट? एंड इट वाज लिटरली आवर वर्जन ऑफ हैज इट एज्ड वेल
Right.
कि देखते हैं हाउ डज इट होल्ड अप,
Yeah.
हाँ,
right?
right.
because I remember like this was 2002, right? So I was about 10, 11 and Raz was like it was all of those things, right? It was
Yeah.
mysterious, erotic,
yeah.
all of those things. So it was like
It
it
was
had
the third highest grossing Hindi film of 2002.
there you go.
Yeah.
And I remember even like having this fascination, what ye hai kya isme, right? And then when I saw it as a kid, I was like scared,
Right.
properly.
Right.
The scene, I don't know, should we go all the way
Yeah,
up
yeah,
to
we
that?
can.
So the scene, where Dino Moria is in the car right at the end with who he thinks is Bipasha
Oh,
Basu,
yes.
right? And you just see her hair.
Yeah.
And he keeps saying, just look at me, just look at me. What are you doing? Just one look, right? And for that moment, right, where
Yeah.
you just see Bipasha's hair,
Yeah.
it's always stuck with me. So I was like, does this hold up? And we watched it and we had a great time.
Again, you got scared. Again, you couldn't guess
No,
who it
but
was.
no, I didn't get scared, but I did feel the suspense. And I feel like a movie like Raz benefits from the fact that, like, okay, so a movie like Raz firstly benefits from the fact that there is this twist or there is this mystery
Yeah,
that has to
yeah,
be
yeah,
uncovered.
Yeah.
But the holding up of it on a second viewing depends on how well they've shot the suspense.
Right.
And it's actually really well shot. Like, I enjoyed the film. So it's
Nice.
like you feel like watching it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
So I'll come to that. Raz, by the way, here's the 2-line synopsis of the movie on IMDb. Sanjana and Aditya go to Ooty for a holiday to save their unsteady marriage. However, Sanjana is haunted by a spirit who reveals some dark secrets about Aditya and his past. So this whole thing of B-grade horror and whatever elevated, esteemed horror. I was very skeptical about revisiting Raz because I had seen it years and years ago, probably when it came out, and I was like, I don't know how, like, will the special effects hold up? Will it be actually scary? And I thought, weirdly, it's very watchable.
it's amazing,
I
immensely
wasn't
watchable.
bored ever.
Never.
And I thought it walked that very line very peculiarly of being a cheesy B-grade
Yes.
horror and being this what for that time was like A-grade Hindi cinema, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So I was never bored. I was like, this is your perfect horror, like you said, horror film that you can watch at home. It's not scary, but it's creepy.
Yeah.
It's well shot. I think the scenes of mist and mystery are actually very well done. Urjita, you saw it for the first time, I
I
believe.
saw it for the first time.
And what were your opinions?
I was watching it for the first time with a friend of mine who had already seen it.
Okay.
And so while we were watching it, in the beginning, because in the beginning ऐसा लगता है कि Dino Morea इससे बहुत प्यार करता है and he's genuinely trying to make amends because she's mad at him and she thinks that he doesn't give her any attention. So I was like, oh, what a sweet guy. And then my friend was like, yeah, you wait. you wait. You think he's a sweet guy? Yeah, sure. You wait. And then I waited and I regretted immediately. I regretted till the end.
You know something? I was speaking to her while coming up here, and the thing is, you like when you're watching it for the second, third time, you don't register what Urjita went through
Which
because
one?
you know that Dino
Yeah,
is
yeah.
is a he
Asshole.
yeah, he's abetted suicide. So
Yes.
so basically,
Yeah.
to hear this reaction, right,
Hmm.
as like the first time viewer
Hmm.
of Raz,
Hmm.
and to actually be hooked by the mystery, by
Yeah.
the twists and the turns. I think that was
Yeah.
like yes.
And,
There you go.
and also the fact that you know how there are some actors who just have that look on their face that they are innocent.
Hmm.
They're genuinely innocent. Like Dino Moria, I feel like instead of Dino Moria, if there was even like a John Abraham or say even Ashutosh Rana himself, if he
Ashutosh
was
Rana
the- say
Ashutosh
he
Rana
was
does a
the
lot in
husband
this
himself,
movie.
तो
Yeah.
तो उसके एक लुक से पता चलता है पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है फिल्म में पर जो भी हो रहा है इसी ने किया है मालूम है. So with Dino Moria, he looks also so innocent. You're like कि इसने क्या किया होगा? Like not once could you think that he could be the reason behind all of this.
No.
And also
Yeah.
and also the fact that he plays the typical gaslighter husband
Oh yes.
who does not believe what his wife says.
Yes.
That also adds to it that you think that okay, this is the grayest shade his character is going to be. कि बस
Yes.
ये believe नहीं करता. That's it. And then you are like, oh man, this guy, this fucker, ये बर्बाद होना चाहता था. This asshole.
But do you remember that? I clearly remember they kept that a secret in the marketing of the film.
What is
And
the
of course, this is 2002. So if you remember, there's that famous scene where he says, "मेरे पास मत आओ, मैं तुम्हें बर्बाद कर दूंगी." In the trailer, they made Bipasha Basu say that line.
Oh,
Yeah. So this third actress, played by Malini Sharma, was a complete secret.
great.
So the trailers and the marketing made it look like it's a story where Dino Morea has fallen in love with a ghost played by Bipasha Basu.
Yeah.
A that and B that dialogue was so good that they were like इसको तो ट्रेलर में डालना
डालना
ही
ही है।
पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
बट कैसे डालें?
Yeah.
एक काम करते हैं.
Get Bipasha Basu to shoot that
Yes,
scene
yes.
separately
Yeah.
so that they can do it.
That is a Hall of Fame dialogue, dude. That is a Hall of Fame dialogue. That's such a great.
What a great way to describe extramarital affairs also. कि मैं तुम्हें बर्बाद करना चाहती मैं बर्बाद होना चाहता हूँ because you're not thinking from your brain. This man who has an empire, who has a new wife, ऐसा भी नहीं 10-20 साल हो गए.
It is foreshadowing after the event has happened.
Yes.
But Karthik, if you think that dialogue is iconic, what do you have to say about कब से इस प्यासी जमीन पर बारिश की एक बूंद नहीं गिरी है पर आज यहाँ तूफान आएगा.
Yes,
The
yes.
orgasm metaphors in
Yes,
this
yes,
movie.
yes.
Woo. And dude, even the song,
Yeah.
I laughed my ass off when I heard this song. Okay, उसका वो line, मैं दुनिया से अगर चला जाऊं कभी न लौट आऊं करोगी क्या अकेले तुम. ये क्या लाइन है? ये वो उसका दूध पीने से पहले ये पूछने वाला सवाल है क्या? This was his version of asking would you still love me if I was a woman. ये कौन
Dude.
पूछता है? अगर मैं मर जाऊं तो what will you do? Will
Any movie that starts with the song "ये शहर है अमन का"
Yeah.
in a like a what was
Dingy
it?
bar.
A club. It
Yeah.
was a club.
Yeah.
That's what it was. I was going to say disco, and then I said, "No, there's got to be a better word. I can't be that guy." So
and the lyrics are so bad that even the singers in the song who are supposed to be the singers, उनको headset दिया गया है so that somebody could repeat the lyrics because they are like there is no fucking way we will say this on our own. वो पीछे से I'm just saying कि I'm just justifying the use of headsets in the song. Have you seen the actors? वो song यहाँ पे सब शांति. They are all wearing
they're wearing
headsets.
headsets.
Because I'm
yeah.
assuming that it's a live performance, so they're giving it that.
Yeah,
whole
but
thing, you know.
I try to
Dude,
read
I've
too much
never
into
seen
it.
I've never seen a synchronized dance performance in a club.
Neither have I.
I've never.
Yeah.
I don't know what this thing is where there is this song playing, but there's also a very important high level Hong Kong
Business
delegation
transaction,
meeting
yes,
going
yeah.
on. It's a strange decision.
Yeah. Do you
So-
want to quickly recap the film?
Yeah, so I want to get to this film actually does the whole like it has a prologue, right?
Yes.
It sets up the ghost, who the ghost is, what it is,
Yes.
and actually introduces the Ashutosh Rana character first before we meet
Yeah,
the
yeah,
couple.
yeah.
So it's a very like typical horror trope, like everything from Jaws to like whatever horror film does this, where they set the template.
You know which film?
Which film?
This is my weirdest
Yeah,
take.
yeah.
Okay, and I'm sorry to everybody who's going to be completely appalled by it.
Okay.
But there were a lot of this film is set piece heavy.
Yeah.
Okay, everything and like all good horror
Mhm.
and suspense, it is like it's all about the set piece and how you can put that set piece together, how you can shoot it, how it can have like this thing. And there's a lot of places where it reminded me of Jurassic Park of all the things.
Oh yes, actually, I see what
Of
you mean.
all the things.
Yeah,
Do you see it?
Urjita's not convinced.
Uh,
I do
walk
dark
me through it,
forest,
tell me.
jeeps,
It's
cars.
also the way the suspense has been shot. Like, for
Yeah.
example, you know the scene where she finds Robert
Yeah,
hanging,
Yeah.
right?
Oh.
That reminded me of Laura Dern in the where Arnold's hand falls on
Yes.
her.
Yeah.
Right? Like,
Yeah.
I feel like I don't know, but it gives me this very, like, I don't know how to describe it, faint echoes. And
You're saying Vikram Bhatt is the spiritual
Yes.
successor to Steven
yes,
Spielberg.
yes,
is
that's
what you're
exactly what I'm
saying.
saying. It's exactly what I'm saying.
No, but I get what you're saying because, like I said, the first part of the movie, the first hour, actually holds up quite well. It's genuinely creepy. The Ooty scenes
Yeah.
are actually like well shot. It's like I said, the light is done very well.
Yeah.
It gives a genuine sense of creepiness of the ghost.
Dude, the amount of fog that was there in Ooty at the time,
Yeah.
it's shocking.
Yeah.
It's a geological like phenomena. This thing.
And also like a special shout out to the hair dryer.
The hair dryer?
The hair
blow
dryer,
dryer.
yeah.
Oh yes.
Blow-
Oh yes.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
yeah.
The
Yeah.
Well,
yeah,
you
hair
gotta
dryer.
show somehow that the ghost is in the vicinity.
Yeah,
How do
and
you
the
show
ghost
it?
is also very romantic because see,
Yeah.
like usually Bollywood में lovers क्या करते हैं ऐसे फूक मारते हैं
Yeah.
कान में फूक मारेंगे गले पे फूक मारेंगे ये क्या करिए बालों में फूक मार रही है because you know she has that kind of impact.
She's you know what it is. This is a 7th standard boy who has a crush on you and sits behind you.
Yeah, yes, that's right.
No, but
Huh.
the thing that I wanted to like, I don't know how to go about analyzing this, or like not even analyzing, just talking about
Yeah.
it. Because like I think one place to start would be the fact that one of the things that like one of the challenges with doing horror in Bollywood, less now but more back in the day, used to be that there used to be a constraint that every film has to have music,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Be difficult to
Yeah.
add music to horror films,
Yes.
Yeah.
right? Because it completely destroys
Correct.
the vibe that you're
Yeah,
trying to go
yeah,
for. So we didn't have horror films; we used to have musical horror films.
Yes.
yeah. Yeah.
And Raz is, I think, I genuinely do believe it's one of the like top tier musical horror
Yeah,
films
absolutely.
because it works.
Yeah.
Because if you
It
think
works.
about it, वो म्यूजिक डालने के लिए भी
Yeah.
उन्होंने या तो वो फ्लैशबैक में जा रहे हैं
Yes.
या तो वो फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द मूवी में दिखा रहे हैं जब भी यू नो प्री गोस्ट
Yeah,
सो
yeah,
लाइक दे हैव दीज पॉइंट्स इन द फिल्म में दे आर लाइक कि ठीक है इधर भूत भूत चल रहा है तो नहीं दिखा सकते
कर सकते हैं,
तो क्या
हाँ.
करेंगे फ्लैशबैक में जाएंगे तभी तो भूत नहीं इधर तभी तो ये नाच सकते हैं ना सो दैट इज आल्सो एंड ऑनेस्टली मे बी बिकॉज मैंने इतने फिल्म्स देख लिए एंड आल्सो आई लव म्यूजिकल्स तो
Yeah.
मुझे तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं थी
Yeah.
ये शहर है अमन का से आई डिडंट एंड दैट्स देयर इज अ क्रीपी सॉन्ग आल्सो
Right, exactly. Right at the beginning, there is
Yeah.
that thing.
Yeah.
And also like it really helps that the music is really really good. Like all the songs, I think every single song was a banger for its time.
अच्छा
Yeah.
okay good you
right?
added that
Yeah, for its time.
Huh.
And it's still very very listenable. Like it's still very melodic, it's still very catchy.
So I have a take on that. I think Raz and like probably this 2002/3 era,
Yeah.
Nadeem Shravan,
Yeah.
it walks that fine line between being an auto rickshaw banger and being an actual Spotify
Yeah.
stream.
Yeah, no,
you
I
know.
think the
For
reason
our generation, for the millennial generation, like we go back to it for nostalgia. The young generation, like, we've heard this in buses and auto rickshaws because
Tell me
it's-
something. 2002 was also the exact year that, or no, 2001 was the year that Dil Chahta
Dil
came
Chahta
out,
came out,
right?
yes, yes.
And I feel like sonically that changed
Of
things for
course,
me.
yeah, absolutely.
2002 में देवदास भी आई थी
हाँ.
by the
Right.
way देवदास
Yeah.
was the top most grosser and second was Raz
Correct.
You
Third
know,
was Raz,
third
second was
was
another
Raz,
movie,
yeah,
we'll look
yeah.
it up.
Wow, okay.
But yeah.
So, what I'm trying to get at is that with Dil Chahta Hai, with that album,
Yeah.
right, it felt like something changed
Yes.
in music.
Yeah, yeah.
And I felt like Nadeem Shravan was the last gasp of that 2000,
Yeah.
that 1990s
Yeah.
sort of like throwback, you know, where you have like it's pure melody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you know Asim Chandavar, right?
Yeah.
Baba
Yeah, yeah,
Jogeshwari.
yeah, yeah.
He's also like this crazy B grade obsessive.
Yeah.
We had him on for the Tere Naam episode. Tere
Oh
Naam
my
came
God.
out in 2003.
Yes.
And he said Tere Naam is the death of the 90s. Like Tere Naam is where 90s died. and then the whatever new age Bollywood starts.
Sure.
So I think Raz 2002 2003 this era is where there is 90s hangover. The scene is changing.
Yeah.
So Bipasha is not someone again you would associate with the Nadeem Shravan soundtrack, but
Yeah.
she's here.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
she
yeah.
does it
Like
very well.
it's, I think you're very right in the
Yeah.
sense that when you listen to the music
Hmm.
of this film, and people have, I think they've listened to the songs without knowing where it's from,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
it's very
Like
possible
I
to do
totally
it.
forgot यहाँ पे Shanti Shanti was from Raz. I was like, oh yeah, it's from this movie.
Dude, some of the romantic songs,
Yeah.
people have heard them completely independent and been completely surprised कि ये यहाँ
It's
से
from a ghost movie.
ये. So it's very interesting how it doesn't feel like they're horror movie songs.
Yes, absolutely.
It feels like a completely different
Yeah.
album.
But then what is a horror movie song?
I mean, you would have like, it would be more
गुमनाम है कोई
atmospheric, maybe tragic, maybe like, it would not be,
जो भी कसमें खाई थी.
that's a straight up.
I have an observation. I think Aati Kya Khandala minus the upbeat track could also be a horror movie song.
Yeah.
Eh, kya bolti tu? And then the
For
girl,
different reasons, but
yeah,
yeah.
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 See, क्योंकि उसमें भी वो गाने में भी because it was shot in a at a hill station, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
उसमें भी थोड़ा वो वादियों वाला आवाज आया हुआ
I
है.
mean, he's literally asking you to come to Khandala.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
And,
Like
it
वो
was
आवाज-
shot by Vikram Bhatt. So
Yes.
Oh
there you
yeah.
go, yeah.
Oh
So,
yeah.
little horror just
Exactly. क्योंकि
हाँ.
ए आती क्या खंडाला स्टूडियो सेटअप में कोई नहीं बोल रहा.
Yeah.
You know, like वो है आवाज में, like I don't know much about music, but you can see कि ये किसी ने घाट में गाया है गाना.
But you know the thing about, like, we were talking about this, I don't know, like, I don't know if all the songs were composed for this
Raz,
film,
yeah.
right? Where
Yeah,
I feel
quite
like Nadeem
possible.
Shravan had a bank,
Of course.
okay,
Yeah.
of like ये 6 romantic गाने, ये
हाँ,
6
हाँ,
heartbreak, ये 6 शादी के song.
Like उसमें से एक गाना easily you could see that playing in मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे.
Yeah, any
Like
film,
any other
interchangeably,
film,
right?
dude. And I'll give you an example of another horror film, Kaal.
Hmm.
उसके
Again.
5-6 सॉन्ग है उसके
Yeah.
एल्बम में, एक भी मूवी में नहीं है.
Yeah.
Just the ones,
That
2
काल
songs.
काल में हम तुम
Yeah,
करे
just 2
धमाल.
songs that play in the film in the beginning. काल
Yes.
काल में हम तुम करे धमाल,
Yes.
and in the end they play तौबा तौबा as the credits roll.
Yes.
And they also have got nothing to do with the film. They are
And-
just dance performances.
Exactly, and I think like that was one of the ways that they tried to solve this problem, the problem of tonal shift, this tonal
Yeah.
whiplash that happens. Now, one of the things again that worth talking about in the context of Raz is, firstly, this film is inspired,
What lies beneath.
By What Lies
Yeah,
Beneath.
yeah.
but it's very interesting the differences that
Mm.
exist within
Yeah.
the two films. Right, it tells you a lot about the cultural context of
Correct.
our country.
Yeah.
The second thing is,
By the way, Collider, the US website, has rated Raz better than What Lies Beneath. They did a
Very
list.
interesting.
Yeah, yeah.
very interesting. Very interesting. So that's, we'll come to that.
Huh.
So the second thing is also the fact that Mahesh Bhatt,
Hmm.
who wrote this film,
Hmm.
was able to see What Lies Beneath and realize the pure Bollywood sensibility of it.
Correct. Yes.
Because it is a very pure Bollywood
Yes. Yeah.
sensibility. Like
Yeah,
it is a love story with a ghost, not
Hmm.
a ghost story with a love angle, right?
Yeah.
And to identify that and go hard on that,
Hmm.
right? It's this perfect, like, I was telling her about it when we were talking on the phone, ki this is the, if you had to think of a Bollywood horror film,
Hmm.
this is
This
it.
is it.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct.
This is it. Like, this is the Bollywood masala. This is every genre
Yes.
in one,
Yes.
right? तेरे को क्या देखने का है? तू
Yeah.
बोल.
Including
Yeah.
unintentional comedy by Ashutosh Rana.
Yes.
No, you know something, Ashutosh Rana, yes, funny for sure.
Yeah.
But can I also tell you, again, my very weird take on
Yeah.
this? I think you can tell how phenomenal an actor he is
Okay.
by the fact that every single line that he's got,
Huh.
he still is able to not make it, is still able to make it somewhat,
Believable?
is to land that
Hmm.
the plane was, it was missing an engine.
Yes.
Okay, the thing wasn't, you know, it was about how badly is it going to crash,
Yeah.
and he was able to land
Landed.
it.
True.
Okay, that's how good he is.
Yeah.
Like, I'll tell you what I mean.
Huh.
For about 60% of this movie,
Yeah.
all his dialogues
Hmm.
are like, is literally just going to people and going like, तुम्हें भूत दिखते हैं? तुम्हें आवाज़ें आती हैं? हवा जा रहा है तुम्हारे बाजू से? हाँ, तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि मृत्यु के बाद क्या होने वाला है? It's just, it's a beer by podcast, okay?
Yeah.
he could, in today's day and age, Agni Swaroop would be top podcaster, podcasting from Uta Command. Like, it would be outstanding.
True, yeah.
Right?
yeah.
And to make that also sort of like, okay, like fine, you're a weirdo, but you're not unhinged. Like, he gets unhinged
Yeah, yeah, as the movie
progressively
goes
as
on.
you
Yeah,
go
yeah.
on. But it's credit to him, dude. And that final sequence,
Hmm.
that's
Where he's possessed.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
that's-
yeah.
Wired
that's
of
great.
आशुतोष राणा completely amazing.
right.
Wired पूरा उसको वायर लग के वो हुआ था ना.
Yeah.
When he's flying.
Yeah, he's flying. Yeah. Wire लग के electric wire.
I remember
And
when.
I also had a point कि Ashutosh Rana, even my favorite scene of the film is when Bipasha Basu meets Ashutosh Rana and he looks at her and he immediately understands what she's going through. He lays out the entire buffet of what all things could have happened to her. कि मतलब, you know how when you meet a really bad एस्ट्रोलॉजर, ये तुम्हें सब चीज, तुम्हारी लाइफ में अच्छा होने वाला है, बुरा होने वाला है, तुम्हारी लाइफ में पति आने वाला है, बॉयफ्रेंड आने वाला है, पैसे आने वाले, एंड देन यू आर लाइक पैसे आ गए, देखा कहा था मैंने, पैसे आने वाले थे, आई वाज राइट एग्जैक्टली. तुमने कभी भूतों का आवाज है, अच्छी आत्मा, बुरी आत्मा, कभी ऐसा कभी फील हुआ है कि आसपास सब तूफान आने वाला है, आंधी आने वाली है, एवरीथिंग. एंड बिपाशा फॉर वन थिंग शी सेज यस एंड इज लाइक कहा था मैंने. I love this. I'm like, this guy, he, of course, वो थोड़ा सा उसको तकलीफ हो रहा है, उसमें से एक चीज तो हुई होगी उसके साथ.
Right.
And half of them are symptoms of a mental disorder. I love that too. तुम्हें आवाजें सुनाई देती है, तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है कोई तुम्हें मारने आने वाला है. Paranoid schizophrenia की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे.
Dude, also the fact that right in the beginning, these two cops just land up at his, because anytime anything happens in the forest,
Yeah.
we should check with
Yeah.
him.
Yeah.
You know, iska kya opinion?
Yeah.
Two bona fide cops.
Also, he gets the most raw end of the stick, right? He gets beaten up by Dino Moria.
Yeah.
And he dies in the end just because he's possessed by someone else.
Yes.
For no fault
Which
of his.
is also-
I don't know if he shows up in the rest of the Raz films. I haven't seen them. So, yeah.
I don't think
maybe.
he does.
Dude,
Okay.
we were talking about this, right? कि I feel like the Bhatts were just 15 years too early. The Raz verse
Yes.
should have happened.
Should have
Like,
been.
it should have been one full,
Yeah.
like, you know,
The
Malini
Adventures of
and-
Professor Agni
Yeah.
Swaroop.
And Agni
Yeah,
Swaroop and all these guys.
Dude, Ashutosh Rana, I feel with his death, I think I figured out the moral of the story.
What is
Which is?
Which is basically, no matter who you are, no matter what you are, but if you come in the way of a rich person trying to hide shit, you will get sacrificed.
Clearly, that aspect has aged very well.
Dino
Yeah.
Moria sacrificed Malini Sharma, the ghost
Yes.
of the film.
Yes.
And Bipasha Basu sacrificed Ashutosh Rana.
And-
Not once does she show any regret for the
None.
fact that Ashutosh Rana, or maybe I think she kills him thinking
You know, there's that thing na, where her face kind of comes out of the fire, but then it
yeah,
doesn't.
But-
I feel like you're right. I feel like the reason this film has a happy ending is because now both of them have done manslaughter.
Yes!
Earlier it was just one. Now it's both of them.
Yeah.
They have.
Now they both have a Raz.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now she understands where he's coming from.
Yeah.
You know.
Ah, that's kind of sweet.
But okay, now I understand the lyrics also. Shit, how stupid of me to not realize it before. ये शहर है अमन का,
Yeah.
यहाँ पे सब शांति है. ये शहर peaceful इसलिए है क्योंकि सब मर चुके हैं.
Yes.
That is why.
Yes.
Fuck, now I realized
Come
it.
on, Nurjita.
Shit.
I was so surprised when you kept saying the lyrics are bad because they're actually damn good. They are better than they should be for what it
Wow.
is.
So basically, for achieving world peace, everybody must be killed. Is that the underlying meaning
Yeah.
of the entire film?
Yeah.
Okay.
Lyrics written by Samir, by the way, another 90s
Dude,
staple.
outstanding.
I
But
love how Samir delivers according to the whims and fancies of the director and
Yeah.
writer. Samir is like कि तुझे क्या चाहिए तो वो बता. नहीं मैंने अलग movies में जो किया है वो भूल जा. आपको क्या चाहिए भाई आप बताओ.
He's a versatile genius. is what he
Yeah,
is.
dude.
Another interesting thing, so the three leads of this film, all their voices are dubbed. Bipasha's voice, Dino's voice, and Malini's voice.
Yes.
Malini's voice dubbed by Namrata Sawhney, who also voiced Sita in the iconic animated
In the
Ramayana.
anime
Oh,
Ramayana.
did
Yeah,
not know.
yes.
And Bipasha's voice, of course, done by Mona Shetty,
Yes.
who did a lot of did her voice in a lot of films. She also did Rani Mukherjee's voice in Ghulam.
and Deepika
yeah.
Padukone in Om
In Om
Shanti Om.
Shanti Om, yeah.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
By the way, she's a pretty big shot, huh? Mona Shetty in the voiceover world. Like, she owns a studio in Andheri.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
dude, she's
yeah.
like, can I tell you, like,
Mona Shetty looks at her upcoming actress with bad voice. I guess I have something you might need.
yeah, like your face and my voice, we can do magic, magic. But like, that was one of the things that was jarring to me on the rewatch. When my wife and I first rewatched it, I didn't know that it was dubbed.
Okay.
I had no idea when I was like, when I'd seen it as a very young person. So watching it again, I was like, wait,
Is that
that's not
Bipasha?
Bipasha. That's not. I don't know what Dino sounds like, but that he's
That
clearly
Hindi is not.
yeah,
Dino's-
it's too good.
Yeah.
It's too
yeah.
good.
Do you know who dubbed his voice?
I know who did it.
Vikram Bhai.
Yeah, Vikram Bhatt himself. Yes.
And you can tell in some places that it's dubbed,
Yeah.
some places, but largely it's a really good job.
Yeah,
Honestly, I
it's a
couldn't
good
tell Dino Moria's voice was dubbed.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
none of us know what he actually sounds like.
That's
so,
also true.
And I feel like Dino Moria should have put Vikram Bhatt on a retainer.
Agreed.
कि तू सब में करना मेरे लिए please.
I also had another doubt
Yeah.
regarding voiceovers. At what point does the industry decide that इसका आवाज अब दुनिया सुन सकती है?
When they become successful enough.
Really?
Yeah, I think Katrina
Yeah.
is a great example, right?
Yeah.
Like once it became. Also, I think if they do enough interviews,
Yes.
then producers think now the world
It's
knows their
jarring.
voice.
Oh
so
yeah, that's also
Also,
true.
till they learn good enough Hindi.
And the other thing that's very interesting to me is why don't we just do it all the time? I'll tell you what I mean. Like, as an audience,
Huh.
all Bollywood, all Indian cinema actually, we're completely okay with
Lip
इसका
syncing.
हाँ इसका बोलने का स्टाइल ये है और फिर ये गाता है अलग अलग आवाज में डिपेंडिंग ऑन विच सिंगर
Yes.
Yeah.
कभी कभी शान कभी कभी
Yeah.
so if we're okay with that and it makes seamless transition
Yes.
seamless right, it's Amir Khan but then it's not
Yeah.
for a little while and then it's back to Amir Khan.
Yes.
So why aren't we just कर दो ना जिसका भी नहीं है डायलॉग डायलॉग कर दो, who cares? I don't get it.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
also
that's one of those weird mysteries of Indian cinema that never got solved. Okay, we'll take a quick break at this point. When we come back, I want to pick your brain a little bit about this early 2000s erotic horror genre dominance that we had. And we'll look at Bipasha's performance and the scariest moments or the most interesting moments of the film. If you're watching us on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel and press the like button. We'll be right back after this break. Hey, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcasts Network. On Cyrus Says, Cyrus is joined by the boys from the popular YouTube channel Funcho, Dhruv Shah and Sham Sharma. They spill the beans on their epic collab with Ryan Reynolds for Deadpool vs. Wolverine and talk about how they went from engineering to content creation. On A Century of Stories, Kunal explores why the showman of Indian cinema Raj Kapoor struck a chord with the working class filmgoers of the Soviet Union and ended up becoming an international star. Folks, if you like our shows, do spread the word, tell your friends, and don't forget to rate and review them wherever you're listening to them. Follow us on social media. We are IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You'll also find all our shows on YouTube by their show names, so do look out for them and have fun watching. And finally, we would like to thank our sponsors this week, IDFC First Bank and Grab. And we're back on Has It Aged Well. We're talking about Raz from 2002 with Urjita and Kautuk Shrivastava. Urjita, you had a quote by the great Vikram Bhatt that you wanted to start with.
So I read this news article where Vikram Bhatt was talking about the success of Raz. And you know how when you're talking about the success of your work that was undermined by people, you end up saying mean things
Yeah.
about the people involved in it unintentionally. Like he said, you know, there was a big producer who came up to me and said, क्या यार तू flop hero और अजनबी की वैम के साथ picture बना रहा है.
I mean,
Wow.
I mean, he proved them wrong.
Oh my god.
And how?
Yeah, but
Wow, that was that producer really cut to the chase.
Yeah.
yeah,
was like-
yeah.
Vikram Bhatt has the weirdest filmography that I've come across. Of course, there's a popular thing which I've mentioned before also. If you go to Vikram Bhatt's Wikipedia page and his filmography, there's the film title, there's his role in the film, and there's another column saying inspired by. Okay, and in one particular year, he's ripped off. He's made 2 Hindi films based on one Hollywood film.
Oh, really?
He ripped off the same movie twice in
Do you
1 year.
remember which it
I don't
was?
remember which
Okay.
one.
Dude,
Look it
I
up.
think if you do it the second time, then it's your creativity.
Yeah,
you're able to come up with another film.
And we've covered 3-4 films of his. He's made like Ghulam. I genuinely think is a very well-made film. It holds up, holds a test of time. Then he makes Avara Pagal Deewana Deewane Hue Pagal. I think Deewane Hue Pagal is one of the worst comedies ever made. It's the only film on this podcast I've given a 0 out of 10. It's really bad. Then he makes something like Raj, which I think again is competently made. This is his jam. Which brings me, so in the early 2000s, there was this wave of horrors, erotic thrillers, erotic horror comedy, not comedy, erotic horror films. 3 stand out to me: Kasoor, Raz, and Jism, which became really big.
Yeah.
Then there was, of course, Murder, and Imran Hashmi came into the fray, and all of that. What do you think happened to us in the early 2000s that India was gripped by this bhat, camp movies, which were horny also, but also scary?
I think the same thing that has gripped us with Stree.
Yeah.
Stree
The
is not
entire
erotic.
batch. It's not erotic, but then
Yeah.
again, it's horror. I think Indians
It's horror,
once in a
yeah,
while
yeah.
we think कि यार horror नहीं बना रहा कोई आजकल. And the moment somebody makes horror, you're like, you know what? I'm gonna watch this till people get tired of it.
I find this particular thing very interesting, what's happening right now, because it's not horror, right? It's horror comedy.
Yeah.
Yes.
And so you have the Bhool Bhulaiya 2, you have like
This 3
this
verse.
this 3 verse and all the Bhedia Vedia, all of that stuff, right? And I find it very interesting because it's like, I feel like the sincere horror nobody has made. Like there's a few like Chori Wori, like there's a few of these. But no one's making, and I'll like, one of the reasons why nobody makes it. So when we were so Varun Thakur and I, we've made a thing called Shaitan Haveli.
Yes.
It's on Amazon Prime.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a comedy horror, not a horror
Correct.
comedy. Okay, it's
Right.
more comedy, less horror. But while researching, so that was an homage to the Ramsey brothers,
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
right? The 70s cheesy horror. And so there was a book that I was reading while I was writing that. It was called Don't Disturb the Dead.
Correct. About the
Right.
Ramsay brothers. Yeah.
Ramsey brothers. And it had some really interesting like ideas and thoughts about horror, why it works, why it doesn't, etc. One of the reasons that people don't like making horror here, okay, is because the stars don't get involved. You'll always have to make it with unknown actors or less known actors.
I was reading the trivia page of Raz, and apparently Anil Kapoor was offered the Dino Moria role.
Yeah.
And he refused it, saying that horror films don't work in Bollywood.
So
Yeah.
the tweak to that is, from Anil Kapoor's side, yes, horror movies don't work. But
Right.
actually, what he's also trying to say is that one of the reasons why people don't do it, known actors don't do it, is because they are not the draw of the film.
Correct. The monster is.
Oh,
Yes.
nice.
So you are going to see कि राज क्या है.
Hmm.
तुम ये नहीं जा, you're not going to see कि अनिल कपूर क्या कर रहा है.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So they like, it's one of the reasons why the big stars stay away from it, and when they stay away,
Right. But
that's a very interesting point that they are not the catch of
Yeah.
the film.
and do you think we don't? I mean, we don't come from the tradition where the big actor can play the monster.
yeah, we don't.
What if
and
Anil
dude,
Kapoor was the vampire or whatever, the werewolf?
historically, even in Hollywood,
Huh.
you don't see,
Actually.
generally you don't see it. Like even in Hollywood, they don't do it, which is why What Lies Beneath was very odd, because it was Harrison Ford, Michelle
yeah,
Pfeiffer,
Yeah.
right, coming together for this weird thing.
Yeah.
And again, they came together because it wasn't a horror film.
Right.
It was a dysfunctional marriage film.
Mm.
That happened to sort of embody it or personify it with this ghostly stuff.
Right.
So
Also, भूत को तुम हीरो के लेंस से कभी नहीं दिखा सकते. Unless the bhoot is somebody like a Tabu in Bhool
or
Bhulaiya 2.
Bhootnath.
Oh yeah, also
Bhootnath.
Bhootnath.
Which also is a
So-
comedy horror.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
so there, yes, you will have big name people, because like there again, you have a sort of a positive spin on it, or like
Right.
it's a different, like the reason I think comedy horrors will still, you'll have a Varun Dhawan doing it, is because it's not, it's still more comedy. It's still
Yeah.
like
Right.
more like
A Bhootnath is still like the ghost isn't scary enough that it doesn't look like Amitabh Bachchan.
Yes.
Like, yeah. You think there's one exception to that, which was Ram Gopal Verma, who actually got the likes
Yeah.
of Urmila Matondkar.
and Ajay Devgan,
Ajay Devgan
yeah.
to do
Which is
the
why
horror
also like
film.
Bhoot is such a, it's
Yeah,
I think
iconic film. Yeah.
one of the best.
Because
in-
Urmila Matondkar was phenomenal in both
Yeah.
Bhoot and Con.
Hmm.
We
Yes.
discussed Con also recently.
yeah.
So good, dude. Urmila
Con I really enjoyed, but I felt like it got very long.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Did you not?
Agreed.
Yeah.
It was 90 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
It should have been like 45. Something genuinely changed in those 2001, 2002, in that span of time. And I feel like one of the things was again to come back to Dil Chahta Hai, unfortunately. But what is this?
Not unfortunately.
What are
Yeah,
we?
this podcast started because of Dil Chahta
There
Hai.
you go.
Because for me, it was still such a modern film, and the kids in the office were like, "What's so special about it?" I'm like, "I'm gonna show you."
Hilarious. There you go. So like, because I think that was that film and all these, like, there was a spate of films in the 2000s which kind of were about the opening up of India.
Right.
They sort of like, okay, we're embracing our liberalism. We're
Correct.
embracing
Yeah.
our like
Yeah. Global status.
economy has opened. You know, we're now looking out,
Right.
right? And we're going to show how global we are and stuff like that. So I'll tell you another thing. My wife and I again went down a rabbit hole when we came across this song from a movie called Hollywood Bollywood.
Yes.
You guys remember this one?
Yeah.
Right? Rang Rang
Rang
Mein
Rang
Rang
Yes,
Rang Rang.
yes.
That one.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, Rahul Khanna.
yeah, so we saw that song and we're like, oh yeah, there were a bunch of these type of movies where like it was about
Crossover,
aspirational
yeah,
NRI
yeah.
and all these things, right?
Yeah.
And it was, when you used to look at those films back in that time, you used to be like, wow, yaar, abroad jana chahiye.
Ah.
Oh, abroad mein kya life hai yaar. Oh. It sold you that idea
Yes.
fully.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
Kalhona was like, wow, yaar, basketball.
Totally.
So basically my point was that again this was another aspect of, like, these erotic thrillers, or another aspect of that opening up.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay.
because like we've always been slightly a more conservative society.
Right.
Right.
Because I would think these films were holding on to that tradition, right? That these are still like local scary films which are an antithesis to the Dil Chahta Hai modern urban films that are being made.
No, because also look at the setting and look at, like, if you look at this film, it's a
The funniest thing here, where Dino Moria asked Bipasha, "कहाँ जाना चाहोगी? Paris, New York, Amsterdam." मैं ऊटी जाना चाहूँगी.
Yeah.
yeah, but if you look at the aesthetics of this film,
Yeah.
right? It's all colonial bungalows.
Correct.
Look at the
Yeah, there's no Purani Haveli.
look at the styling of Bipasha and Dino Moria. They are like super urban.
Correct. Yes.
Very like they're wearing
He's
like.
having meetings with Japanese people.
Dude, he's wearing
foreign
trench coats
Yeah.
and she's wearing like boots and
Yes.
like it's
And
very
also,
like.
क्या बोलते हैं उसको, लाइक वो संस्कारी बहू की तरह नहीं दिख रही है
Yeah.
एनी पॉइंट, एंड स्टिल लाइक, मतलब उसको 2-3 बार बोला जाता है कि तुम उसकी बीवी हो, तुम उसकी मैं एक पतिव्रता आदमी हूँ, तुम एक पतिव्रता औरत हो, एंड विच इज वेरी नाइस टू
You're
सी.
so offended by it, you can't even say it. Like, मुझसे बोला नहीं जाता.
Also,
Also,
think about this.
yeah.
This is a Bollywood horror film where there's not a woman in a sari.
Correct.
There's no like, you know, lady in white sari with
Now that
peru.
I'm thinking about Ashutosh Rana is not a tantric, he's a professor.
He's a professor
Yeah.
and he wears like a tie and like
Correct.
a cardigan.
Yeah.
Right? So the stylization of this film is not,
You're right.
it's very like, hey, we're in the 2000s now.
Yes.
You know,
Yeah.
like it's not that stuff, it's new stuff, right?
So do you
And
think the eroticism there is also coming from a boldness that now
yes,
we can...
yes, it was that like, hey, we're embracing this full like we're embracing our opening up of not just economy but opening up of morality, mentality,
Correct, yeah.
all of that stuff.
Yeah.
And this is like fully like I'm talking out of my ass completely, but that's what it feels
Very
like.
valid points, yeah.
It feels like that to me.
Yeah.
So it felt like a very like so what is really the tension in the film is you have all of this modernity, and then at the heart of it, at the end of it, the morality is still 1960s.
Correct, yes.
Yes.
It's still like
Yeah, which brings me to the climax of the film, the last 20 minutes,
yeah.
where I'm like, you have set up like literally the reveal of the film is that the hero character has a dark past.
Yes.
He literally abetted a woman's suicide. He had an extramarital affair. Then why do you expect the female character to sacrifice herself for this asshole? Why is he
Yeah.
still literally on a hospital bed where we have to save his life?
Exactly.
You know that there's one line by one of the friend characters where he's like like the pious woman can change, वो जो शैतान और भगवान का भी मन बदल सकता. I'm like, yeah, this is so outdated even for 2002.
Yes.
And why did it?
Yeah.
And like you said, that doesn't come from What Lies Beneath. That was the
That's the
but-
biggest. That's the biggest change.
Yeah.
And it's the most interesting change.
Also, another thing that I noticed was that while writing the film, like I don't know what happens in the original film, but in this film also they might have thought about ki, listen, वो लड़की को कोई सिंपैथी नहीं मिलनी चाहिए. So then how do we ensure that she gets zero sympathy? Let's show her as bitchy as we can.
The
And
other woman,
the-
right?
yeah, Malini
after a
Sharma.
point
And
I was
she's-
like, women are psychos, right? Guys
Yeah.
like the film.
Yeah,
It's-
and like, एक तो she's shown as this mentally challenged woman, okay, who doesn't know any better.
Yeah.
माना कि वो थोड़ा तबाही वगैरह मचाने की कोशिश करी थी, but इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि बिपाशा वो मर चुकी है अभी, उसकी आत्मा, उसको भी वो बिच बुला रही है. तुम मेरे और मेरे पति के बीच में नहीं आ सकती. तेरे
उस
पति के
कुतिया
बीच
को मैं
में उसका पीने आ रहा है. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Which wants to wander off. Like I love how there's this like for this brief moment where Bipasha, when she learns about this past,
Yeah.
and she's like, you know what, you fucker, I'm gonna leave you. Bye.
Yeah.
And I was like, good, great.
Yeah.
Stick to
उसी
this
पे तो
decision.
गाना जाता है, जो भी कसमें
Yeah.
Exactly. जो भी कसमें खाई. And I love how even Dino Moria पूरा वो बर्बादी वगैरह उसकी nice बर्बादी दे, I'm sure, by the way, nice बर्बादी. They're naked near the waterfall. They're
Yeah,
having sex near the waterfall. ये
They
पूरा
have-
क्या, ये क्या
they
है?
have marked every inch of OT.
Yeah, dude.
Oh my god, it's like, by the way, there are no people in OT.
Yeah.
It's only
just
like
these
these 5
people.
guys.
Dude, and also-
Robert is also gone.
Yeah.
Only his wife and 7 children are there.
Yes. Yes.
It's crazy.
My point is कि चल ऐसा भी नहीं कि दारू पी के नशे में डीनो मोरा ने एक गलती कर दी. हाँ, ऐसा भी गलती दिन दहाड़े कर.
Yes.
सुबह के
Yes.
7 बजे उठ के कौन सेक्स करता है खेतों में भाई?
Dude, board meeting के बीच में.
या
Board meeting के बीच में.
और
Like,
उसको गुस्सा कभी आता है जब भी मालिनी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेरी फनी डायलॉग, ओके, मालिनी जब भी डीनो मोरिया बिपाशा से फोन पे बात कर रहा होता है, मालिनी ओवर हियर्स हिम एंड सेज,
Yeah.
तुमने अपनी बीवी को मेरे बारे में क्यों नहीं बताया? व्हाई वुड ही टेल हर अबाउट यू, मालिनी?
and the thing is, every criticism that you will level at Malini, they have already brushed it aside by saying she crazy.
Yeah.
She crazy. So whatever
Yeah.
We
you
told you.
yeah, whatever
Yeah.
you feel like, अरे why is she be crazy?
Crazy.
Right? ये क्यों crazy?
Crazy,
So
yeah.
it's basically my point is
और मालिनी बिपाशा को बिच बुलाई जा रही है.
कुतिया, not
कुतिया,
bitch. उस
कुतिया.
कुतिया को मैं बता दूंगी.
मैं उस कुतिया को बता दूंगी
अच्छा,
कि
but
वो
by the way-
हमारे बीच में आना चाह रही है.
they had like they really went with the Kutia sort of like the thread of that
Yeah.
with Kutia, and then she said with the Mangal Sutra, she's like, ye patta pehna do. I was like, wow,
हाँ.
man.
So
it
she
never
doesn't,
ends.
So she doesn't believe in the institution of marriage either. But she's like, if that is what keeps me with you, then
Yeah,
be
then
it.
sure, so be it. Yeah,
sure.
yeah, yeah.
And also, if you noticed कि डीनो मोरिया जब तक बर्बाद होना चाहता था तब तक तो पूरा लस्टी था, ठीक है. फिर जैसे ही उसको रियलाइज होता है कि oh this bitch be crazy, then he suddenly does a 180 degree,
Yeah.
ठीक है. And अभी वो जब भी उसके पीछे पीछे भाग रहे हैं बेचारी गाड़ी में उसको फॉलो कर रही है, तो डीनो इज लाइक कि नहीं संजना मेरी जीवन संगिनी है, वो अभी इसका
वो मेरी
हिंदी आ रहा
पत्नी
है,
है, हाँ.
अभी हमारा 1 जन्म का नहीं 7 जन्म का रिश्ता है. ओके देन तो
You
this
know, I
was what
feel
like a pit stop or
Jeevan
something.
Sangini was the moment
Yeah.
that Vikram Bhatt realized ये डब करना पड़ेगा. ये
Not
तो
happening.
डब करना पड़ेगा. I feel but to kind of like take off from what you were saying, so all horror in some way or the other is a morality tale,
Right.
Yeah.
right?
yeah.
All horror
Yeah.
is कि ये करोगे तो ये होगा, right? And ये बुरा होगा, जो भी होगा. So one of the lessons from this movie is what कि don't have extramarital affair because here watch Raj.
That's not
to find out.
that's not the message. The message of the film is don't have an extramarital affair with a mentally challenged person.
Yeah, no, and so what's interesting is in movie logic, right? Movie logic is basically कि if the character actively does something, then and only then can you hold him responsible. That's movie logic, right?
Yeah.
So which is why the difference between What Lies Beneath and this is so interesting. Because in What Lies Beneath, Harrison Ford's character actively kills
Right.
the
The other woman.
the other woman to protect himself. In this one,
Kills
he's tried to tell her in as many ways and blah blah blah
Right,
blah,
yeah,
and they've taken this effort to kind of tell you that he wasn't bad off the bat,
Yeah.
right? So the first night when she comes in into the house, she's acting all crazy and creepy and Mozarty.
Yeah.
and Dino Moria is like, I don't know what your deal is,
Yeah.
पर मैं सो रहा हूँ
Yeah.
भाई, आप भी सो लो, मैं भी सोता हूँ.
Right.
After that, it's when he sees her playing the violin.
The piano didn't do it for him. It was the
Phenomenally talented person, by the way.
Yeah.
And so when he sees her playing the violin, something happens, and that's when he's like, okay, time to get Barbad. The interesting part about that is ki there's that restraint to send you one message ki he's not all bad. But he did mistake.
That's where he draws. He won't
Yeah.
kill anyone. That's like.
Also I love how they have shown this little scene where वो गाड़ी की वजह से वो गिर जाती है नीचे.
Yeah,
And that
yeah.
is where I thought कि maybe अब मर जाएगी वो. I don't know.
Yes, and he
And
stops the
then
car.
He stops the
Yes.
car and then he gets out of it just to check if she's okay.
Yes.
That is just to show you कि he's actually a gentleman.
Yes,
बस उसको उससे
and
पीछा
he's made a
छुड़ाना है.
mistake.
Yeah.
Yeah, wo, you know, everyone makes
Yeah.
mistake. No, guys, everyone makes.
Yeah.
So it's that, and they painstakingly have written all of these things
Yeah, yeah.
to let you know these things, right?
Mm-hmm.
Again, judging by today's morality, you would be like, it's still wrong.
Yeah.
It's still like he doesn't, and so then they've also done this one extra thing of having him. So he's killed this woman, and then he's abetted suicide.
Yeah.
And so he's been in the car where she's driven it off the cliff,
Right.
right? So if you were looking at it in terms of like keeping score, at this point they were level, right? If he had died, then everything is solved. So they've taken that thing to kind of like he's not the guy who has solved the problem, right? The problem that he's created. So they've taken these extra steps to kind of show you ki chal, you know, come along for this thing.
Yeah.
It still doesn't, by today's standard, of course, it doesn't land.
Right.
But that's the other thing I feel like they kind of realized when they were adapting, inspiring, whatever it was. Ki you need to have happy endings. You can't have horrible tragic, right? अगर romance film है और फिर tragedy होता है, so that's you already lost.
Which traditionally horror films are known for ending with a very like a not with leaving you with a good taste in your mouth. You're supposed to be like, oh shit.
Yes,
Yeah.
and which is why again this is a Bollywood horror
Yeah,
film.
of course. Yeah.
Ki it checks all the boxes.
Yes.
All the boxes.
It has to
it's a
end with-
feel-good horror
Yeah.
musical. Come
Them
on.
Walking away in the hills, arm in arm. Yeah. that
While
has
he's
to
on a
happen.
crutch and
Yeah.
like
Also, I love how what changes Bipasha's mind is not her love for Dino. It's Ashutosh Rana's reverse psychology where he says कि वही तो वो चाहती है कि तुम उसको
Yes.
छोड़ दो.
Yes,
So
hilarious,
she
great.
goes back to him just because she doesn't want to let that bitch win.
yes, superb, great catch. And the other thing about it is that's very interesting is you can read this film in so many different ways, right? Ki the graph of this film. So one of the graphs is ki it's a story of a couple who were falling apart, and then by the end of the movie, through this
Find each
they
other.
find each other, right? And they are able to fall in love again.
Yeah.
That's one reading. The second is ki Ashutosh Rana was crazy and then he goes completely unhinged. Right? That's but my favorite reading of the film is this film is about a person who was addicted to sleeping pills. Who's cured of her addiction thanks to.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because it's exactly at the midway point that Bipasha Basu suddenly goes like, I don't need this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly at the midpoint. Like,
And also at some point, remember how she doubts her own self just because of the pills. She's like,
Yeah.
क्या इनकी वजह से तो मुझे ये सब
Yeah,
चीजें नहीं
yeah,
दिखाई दे
yeah.
रही
There's a
है.
line where Dino Moria says कि दवाइयाँ मत लेना, तुम्हें वहम हो रहा है. Remember, भूत हवा में नहीं दवा में
दवा
है.
Yeah.
क्या
Yeah.
बात है.
Another allopathy hater.
Is Bipasha Basu good in this movie?
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think, I mean, in a lot of Hindi films around this time, she was playing the token hot girl.
Yeah.
Whereas this one actually gives her substance. And even though her voice is dubbed, I think she does a pretty good job. of-
Yeah, emoting.
Dude, now when I watch the newer films and I compare them to
Yes.
the older films,
Yes.
dude, respect for all of these actors has increased. Dude, I like Dino Moria also in the film.
Yes.
In the little bit dimples
Yes,
that he
yes.
showed.
But
I
like,
love it.
in what aspect?
In the acting aspect, like if
Okay.
you think about it, Bipasha Basu, first of all, it's not easy to convince people that this voice is your voice.
Right.
That is one. Then another thing is maybe like the credit goes to the voiceover artist
yeah,
more than the
yeah.
actor.
Yeah,
Actually,
yeah.
my bad. But I'm saying that even with Bipasha Basu, she does
She's
not have a
emoted.
lot of dialogues. She has a lot of expressions. And dude, imagine कोई एक scene which could have easily lasted for just 30 seconds or 1 minute 5-6 minute तक खिंचे जा रहा है वो scene only because of her expressions. Because she's so good, you could still watch the film.
Yes.
Honestly, like when I look at the film that way, there were many scenes in the film that I could have easily skipped over. But no, I was actually drawn by her expressions.
Yeah.
कि बिपाशा अभी क्या सोच रही है क्या? There is variation in her expressions,
Dude,
dude.
and can I tell you something? I feel like I haven't seen two people look that good on screen.
Yeah.
True,
In a
yeah.
film, like both of them.
Chemistry,
Yeah.
really good.
No, and they were just like really
Weren't they
good
actually
looking
dating
people.
in real life as
They
well?
were, they
I
were.
think they were
Yeah, yeah,
at
yeah.
around this time.
I
but
read somewhere, but I'm not sure if this is like true.
there
or
was,
not.
yeah. Even
Dino
I remember
Moria-
vaguely from like.
Yeah, there was
So-
Dino, then there was John, and there was this whole thing where I was like, oh, Bipasha moves from supermodel to supermodel.
But no, Dino Moria was offered the film first, and when Vikram had asked him kaun si heroine, so then he was like, why don't you take my girlfriend Bipasha?
Oh, okay.
Because I thought कि Bipasha is the lead in the film, so I thought
Yes.
उसको offer की होगी पहले. But imagine the movie randomly fell into her lap, and she just made gold out of
That
it.
was beautiful. No, and
And to think about it, like I don't know if you have seen other Bipasha Basu films that nicely, but I saw Ajnabi. I have seen her in the Songs of No Entry and just like many other early 2000s films.
I've seen
that
all
she's
her
done.
horror filmography.
Yeah. So in the regular comedy films, of course her acting is good. तभी मना नहीं करी, but she really shines in horror. Her expressions in that Ajnabi song also, Oila Oila Oila, थोड़ा lifeless है वो उस गाने में. Like she's just like her body is moving, but eyes are not moving at all.
But that's also because you're watching her in contrast to Akshay Kumar, who's doing 8 times more expressions than he should in that song.
Maybe. But then again, Bipasha Basu in this film, I feel like just the way Vikram
No,
Bhatt-
you're right. You're right.
Yeah, Vikram Bhatt found his niche. I think she also
And
found
I
her
feel like
niche.
that's one of the things that happens. Like which is why they have that term, right? Which is called scream queens.
Yes.
Hmm.
Ki, like there is a bunch of actresses or actors who are in this sort of
Genre,
genre
yeah.
and they like nail it. And I feel like one of the prerequisites to be a scream queen is that when you're running, you have to run like this. Like you can't run straight. Like your hands have to flail on the side.
Yeah. Oh yeah, imagine if she ran like this.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it would
madam,
just- it would-
testosterone
it
come karo.
No, yeah, it wouldn't look as vulnerable. Like
Yeah.
you have to really
Yeah.
flap about, right, while you're running.
Nice. Yeah, you have to look vulnerable.
Yeah.
Vulnerable but resilient. I think
Yes,
that's the
and-
sweet spot.
Yeah, and like you have to traverse this weird line
Hmm.
between I'm going to find out.
Yeah.
And I'm going to confront the ghost, but I'm also
Yeah.
really scared of ghost.
I'm really scared,
And-
but not that scared of my life. Because
Yeah.
honestly, she did not mind staying alone in that Haveli. Which I was like, what a dumb decision on your
Yeah,
part.
dumb decisions तो बहुत सारे
वो
हैं.
तो ऐसे हॉरर फिल्म में लिए नहीं पड़ेगा.
I have a question.
Yes.
How many of you think? How many of you नहीं, 2 ही लोग हैं.
हाँ.
How do you think that वो उसकी बैंगलोर ट्रिप में भी किसी के साथ एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल करके आया होगा? क्योंकि उसको बहुत टाइम लग गया वापस आने में. Don't you think? वो एक रात के लिए जाने वाला था, if you remember. पर 2-3 दिन बाद आया, अच्छा खासा टाइम लेके.
You know what they say about men, Urjita? If he cheats once, he's gonna cheat again.
Oh, they say that?
Yeah.
Karthik is like, मैंने तो एक ही बार किया.
It's interesting. But like also can I tell you one more thing that is
Yeah.
very interesting? They've really taken a lot of time and effort to let you know that Dino Moria does his job.
Yeah. What is his
Yes.
job? I don't know, but he does it.
वो
He
बहुत
takes
काम करता है
meetings,
यार.
yeah.
Because usually in any movie, like either there's one scene or there's an offhand.
There's like 4-5 meeting scenes. In
Bro, there's a lot of meetings and there's like you can see the deal develop as the movie goes on. First he meets them at the
Yes,
club,
yeah.
then there's like one call and
Yeah.
there's multiple crores and like there's a whole
And his
thing.
father is Babuji from Khichdi. I forget the
Yeah.
actor's
Oh, that's
name,
who
but
he
yeah, that's
was.
who he
Correct, I
was.
kept. Oh my god. The youth and the lack of mustache and him not saying Praful just threw me off
He
completely.
played the father in multiple films
Many
actually.
movies. Yeah.
Yeah.
But also another thing that I noticed was that this is one of those old films where you can see they have hired a VFX guy and he did not have much to do.
Yes.
So they made him do everything. Like abhi the wire wala scene where Ashutosh Rana
Yeah,
gets
gets the-
electrocuted. उधर भी easily 30 सेकंड मैक्स लगने चाहिए थे ये सब करने में, बट वायर को टोंग टोंग करते हुए दिखाया है. इफ यू रिमेंबर द वायर वाज लाइक Ashutosh is just looking at the wire and honestly I was also curious what happens next.
Yeah, can I tell you like I feel like I don't know what you felt about. Like I feel like you felt like some of the scenes were very long, right?
Yeah, stretched.
So
Yeah.
my opinion on that is completely different to that. I felt like they were. I feel like one of the things about horror movies, especially the suspense portions of them, is that you're not watching for the kill. You're not watching for the ghost. You're watching for everything right before it.
Right, I agree. Yeah.
Right? Like, and the real great directors are able to stretch that to its absolute breaking point,
Hmm.
and keep that thing escalating, like just like a comedy thing. The
Yeah,
stakes
yeah,
keep
yeah,
getting
yeah.
higher,
Hmm.
the tension keeps getting more. So I felt like a lot, like especially that last sequence,
Hmm.
it's really well
Where
planned.
she's filling up the petrol while Ashutosh Rana is
It's
passed
beautiful.
out.
That was
Yeah,
nice. Yeah.
that was the build up to that.
Yeah,
उसकी बात नहीं
yeah.
कर रहे. I'm talking about the wire.
I
वाला
know,
scene.
even the
Yeah,
wire,
yeah,
like even the so for example, by the way, when you rewatch the film, you also realize there's a lot of recurrences that happen, right? So begins in a hospital, ends in a hospital.
Oh yeah.
The first time when they go to that same forest place, where Ashutosh Rana takes Bipasha to
yeah,
it.
yeah.
What happens there? I forget. Like she.
Don't they get something flying at them? I think it's a bird or a crow or something.
Yeah,
something
log
of that sort.
comes
Ah,
and
a log comes.
Log
yeah, yeah,
comes. Yeah.
Yeah. So you see that, and then so when that scene starts, it's around the midpoint of the movie. When that scene starts, you see those electrical wires, right? So
Foreshadowing.
he set that up. Like these are like, it's well thought out. That whole thing was well planned, well executed, which is what, like, some of those, like, it's a well done suspense
Yeah,
thing.
yeah,
Like
yeah,
you
yeah,
can, it's not an accident.
Yeah.
Even the ending, like there's like one full. He doesn't let the suspense go.
God damn, Kautuk, you watch things so meticulously.
I had another doubt though. What was the point of showing that entire 10-minute sequence? I think 10-minute sequence of the in the beginning where Ali Asghar and his girlfriend, who also was there in Ajnabi, by the way.
Oh.
She played. I think she's the same girl who played
Yeah, I
Akshay
forget her
Kumar's
name.
dead wife.
Yeah, she's done
What?
a lot
Yeah.
of big parts.
Yes.
Like we
She
said.
keeps dying in things. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Keeps setting off the plot.
Yes, and I also
Wow.
think that there's another film in which she also died, which I'm not sure, because the moment I saw her, I was like, "अरे ये मरने वाली है, ये तो मरने के लिए आई है."
Amazing. Yeah, the Ali
So-
Asghar scene. Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't understand why was she possessed.
This is again my reading of the thing.
Ah,
That whole thing is like the whole movie in one microcosm.
correct. Yeah.
Ki, what is it about? It's about lovers who are. It's about like this lust thing, subtext of lust.
Yeah.
कि उसको किस चाहिए वो नहीं देगी, right? And they're running through this forest,
Yeah.
and
वो अली असगर वो भी डायलॉग मारता है ना, कह रहे मुझे किस करना वरना जंगल में शेर और चीते को
yeah,
किस करना
तो किस
पड़ेगा.
करना पड़ेगा, right? It's that.
Yeah.
You see the house, you see
Yeah.
you see the
The caution around it. Where
Yeah.
Ali also says ना कि यहाँ पे मत जाओ, पता
Yeah,
नहीं क्या
yeah.
होगा.
हमारे बाप का घर तो नहीं है.
and what you also see is you see the fact कि it's about sort of like you see how dangerous the spirit is,
Exactly.
right? That she has killed one person right before ये शहर अमन का has happened. One person's already dead, right? So you know कि this thing is
Oh, she doesn't die.
she dies.
Oh, but
He gets-
later on she dies. Immediately she doesn't die. No, she goes into the mental
In the hospital and she
Yeah,
speaks
but-
in this weird
But
voice.
that
Yeah.
prologue ends with Ali Asghar getting that phone call. Saying
like
कि
that.
she's dead, man, she's dead, right? And
Yeah.
so right off the
Zed's
bat,
dead, baby.
right off the bat, you know कि you know everything you need to know
Correct.
about this movie, and you know it's in Ooty, you know it's about love, it's about this, it's about that, and then you also they gave it this one in movie reason, which is कि इन लोग ने ये start किया है, right? If they hadn't run into the forest and disturbed her grave, she wouldn't have arisen.
Yeah.
And none of the movie would have happened. So they, like, it's a I liked it. Like I really
Correct,
enjoyed
yeah.
like all aspects of this movie.
So did I. Anything else you guys want to add about Raz? Then we can go to the categories.
A few
But by the way,
trivia.
so I just want to pick your brain. You mentioned that just like comedy, there's a build up in horror.
Yeah.
And you mentioned you find a lot of similarities between horror
Yeah,
and
yeah.
comedy. Can you just like give that? Give us
Yeah,
that?
I feel like they're like two sides of the same coin, right? Ki like fundamentally it works on the same level, which is surprise, right? That surprise, misdirection, like a lot of the tools are the
Yeah.
same, right?
Yeah.
Ki like you're looking here, and then something comes from there,
Yeah.
right? So it's about
What is comedy if not a feel good jump scare?
exactly,
Yeah.
exactly that.
Yes.
Comedy also takes sort of like it. Okay, here's another way of looking at it, right? Comedy tells you how the world is sort of like the world is meaningless, right? Or the world is it's odder than you think it is. So does horror. Right?
Yeah.
It does the same thing. It's literally like ki, if the water is flowing this way, it's normal. But if the water starts flowing upstream, it's horror. Right? And it's literally that. Ki, like here is a different version of life, right? A different imagination of life.
Right.
So in those sense, it's very similar. The techniques of it are very similar. When you write a comedy set piece and a horror set piece, you're trying to do the same things. You're trying to keep escalating things. You're trying to keep holding tension. You're sort of like, and you're ending strong,
Correct. Yeah.
right? You have to have
Yes.
some kind of reveal or some kind of like this thing to it.
Correct.
And again, just like comedy, horror also completely loses its punch the minute you've heard the punchline. It loses its tension, right? So the minute you've heard the punchline, it's over, right? And the joke will never be as fun
A
as it
second
was
time
the
around.
first.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
It's exactly like in that sense, like I feel like it's very, very similar. It's basically, and not to like philosophize it or anything, but I feel like it's basically the impulse is the same. Ki there's a lot of things we don't understand about the world, and this is one way we cope with it.
Correct.
And one way of coping
Nice.
with it is comedy, one way is horror. कि नहीं समझता यार,
Yeah.
but ये है.
हाँ,
That's
भूत
a
की
very
वजह
nice
से
line
like-
actually. There are so many things you don't understand about the world.
Yeah.
Nice.
So I feel like it's very similar, and which is why I like it. I also, I don't believe in ghosts,
Mhm.
but I'm curious.
The idea of them is very enticing.
I'm
Yeah.
very curious.
Yeah.
Like I'd love to know
Yeah.
if it is, because here's the thing, right? As long as we don't answer the one question, what happens after death, horror will keep being around.
Yes.
It'll keep being around. The
Correct.
day someone comes back or
From
figures
the
out.
afterlife, yeah. The
You know
most
how-
quotable of all places.
Yeah, no, but it was a really interesting quote. Ki, you know how when you were children and you would randomly sleep on the sofa while watching a film, your parents would lift you and put you in the bedroom inside,
Yeah.
and they would
Right.
continue to like talk and laugh in the
Right.
hall, and in your subconscious you would still hear them having a good time.
Yeah.
Maybe death is a lot like that.
Whew,
Yeah.
yikes. That's
Yeah.
well put.
है ना?
Your parents murder you. And
I was listening to them and
Yeah.
it's from the other room. If
still
only I
having a
could
good
go-
time.
Yeah.
Wow, they really don't have a conscience. But yeah, no.
This horror obsession of you and your wife, has that changed at all once you had your kid?
Oh, very interesting question.
Uh,
So, very interesting question, because while she was carrying the baby, while she was pregnant, she didn't watch any horror or true crime or anything, because she's like, I don't want to.
Influence.
Yeah, like I don't want to expose my baby, like, because now she's like, the baby is directly connected to me. So
Correct.
whatever I experience, the baby will
Yeah,
experience, whatever.
yeah, yeah.
Like, I don't know if this scientifically makes sense,
Yeah,
or
but
emotionally,
yeah,
whatever,
yeah,
whatever.
yeah.
But she's just like, for my peace of mind and for this thing, I'm not going to watch horror movies. So for 9 months, I was watching horror and true crime alone. And now we're back. We're back, baby. So,
Is there a I mean, she's very young right now, but do you have this one film or something slightly scary that you want to introduce your child to for the first time?
oh, great question.
Because when I think about some of these early children's films,
Yeah,
like
they're
even something
not-
like a Koi Mil Gaya has scary moments in it, even though it's a child's film.
Pinocchio. Oh, it's oddly upsetting. It's like they're stealing kids and they're taking them to like
But also
Pleasure
she
Island
will,
and-
she will learn at an early age that lying doesn't actually grow your nose, so that will only empower her to lie more.
yeah, like there's always like even in some of these benign films, right? Like where you're just watching something, and I can't think of an example, but I know
Yeah.
the vibe and the feeling. Ki
Mhm.
something will happen which stays with you, right?
Mm.
Some, like for example, like I remember 101 Dalmatians.
Yes.
Mm.
Oh, that
That
Cruella
lady
scene.
was was not a pleasant experience, and I feel like it adds to the watchability of the thing as a kid.
Absolutely.
कि
Yeah.
You're like, hey, नया experience है.
Yeah.
ये कैसे हो रहा है?
Yeah.
So I think like I feel like a lot. I don't know if that's true or not, but a lot of filmmakers will sanitize movies because it's for kids,
Yeah.
or because or they sanitize media because kids shouldn't be, but they should little bit.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, a little bit.
yeah, it makes it more interesting. I don't have a thing yet,
Okay.
but yeah, I mean, like, but I would want to tell her horror stories.
So my favorite trivia about the film is that this is the first Hindi film that Paul McCartney ever saw.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah, so he was in India for something, and तभी screening हो रहा था, so he was invited to the screening, and he went and he watched the entire
I
film.
think he became a fan of Nadeem Shravan instantly, like just like the Beatles.
Yeah,
Oh, shit.
yeah.
Dude, that is
Nice.
I
Yes.
bet like he met Vikram Bhatt later. He was like, I also have one. You know what happened to John Lennon? बहुत बड़ा राज.
John Lennon दिख रहा है ना, तुमको दिख रहा है नहीं. It's funny how I don't know anything about Beatles. I just know this one conspiracy
Yeah.
theory.
Yeah. No, and the fact that the first movie that Paul McCartney has watched from India is Raz is pretty crazy.
Yeah.
It's pretty crazy.
Maybe Vikram Bhatt showed it to him just to look at him and go, मुझे भी तुम्हारा राज पता है.
No, I mean, it's just like the fact that he goes back and his opinion
Tells
is
people,
like,
yeah.
yaar,
Dude, maybe that's how...
Ashutosh Rana, guys. You're
Yeah.
sleeping on Ashutosh Rana.
Yeah, maybe that's why Bipasha Basu ended up meeting Cristiano Ronaldo at some point.
Paul McCartney put in a word.
Yes. And then he, one fine day, he heard a song of Karan Arjun at some point in the desert. And he's like, oh, are they talking about Ashutosh Rana ko maaf karna? Gati mare
Okay,
se
okay.
ho.
Oh
Yeah.
my. Oh my,
Sorry.
that joke
I just
really
kept-
traveled.
Yeah.
It's had a full life.
This movie has one of the most genuine reactions to looking at a ghost. The scene you mentioned where she turns in the car.
Yes.
right? And Dino just goes, "Oh shit!"
Yeah.
I mean, that's exactly how I would react.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh shit is correct.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
shit is
I also
great.
noticed the same thing. That
Yeah.
This was a very genuine reaction. It wasn't, तुम यहाँ
Ah,
नहीं.
there
It
was
was
a
like, oh
pause,
shit.
actor's pause, where he's shocked and speechless.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Yeah. That was a great catch.
The CGI in that scene, I think, is quite well done.
Yeah.
You had some observations about the CGI in general.
So,
for the film?
what I feel is like, I think maybe now it'll
Uh-huh.
get much better with. It's okay. Let me go back one step.
Mhm.
So I feel like one of the other challenges with horror,
Hmm.
historically and globally, has always been that it's very expensive to do the horror stuff,
Correct.
like the actual
The
showing
the
of
makeup?
ghosts. No.
Uh-huh.
It's also like showing of ghosts, showing of how a person is dead.
Right.
What just the effects that you need to make horror work. They're
Right.
expensive to do believably,
Hmm.
Yeah.
which is why I feel like genuinely horror works much better as an audio thing,
Right.
because there's a suspension of disbelief.
Correct.
You don't have to, because when you don't see the thing physically,
You're imagining it.
you can imagine it and you can imagine whatever.
There's no budgetary constraints to your imagination.
And it's more believable in the sense that when you see someone flying through the air for whatever reason, it, because like you're seeing the physics of it, it looks odd, it looks funny, it looks weird, right? But when you're imagining it, you can say a line and it just kind of like tells you a vibe,
Yeah,
and then you
yeah,
move on,
yeah.
right? So for example, with Hollywood also, like when you watch a movie and they do a visual effect,
Yeah.
it doesn't look natural, it doesn't look right, and it takes you out of the movie completely. Right, like I'll give you an example of, I was watching Conjuring 2, okay, where they had some crooked man or something, where this guy becomes like 10 feet tall, and as you're watching it, you're like, यार ये तो CGI है,
Right.
वो दिख रहा है,
Right.
right? And तो इनके पास budget भी है और फिर भी दिख रहा है. So when you come to Indian horror, तो then you have already a budgetary constraint. You are making it with no stars. Most of your thing is going into this, but it's still not good enough, right? And it's
Can I ask a question to that though? Like, so for example, if you watch some of these Hollywood films from the 70s and 80s, like The Exorcist or Halloween or all this, right? I think back then they had makeup artists and practical effects artists that Exorcist still looks scary, right?
Yeah.
Halloween still looks scary. Why do you think, especially because you've done some reading about the Ramsay brothers, that they used to do that, but then again it used to look cheap.
Yeah.
That they're making rubber masks and they're making. Why do you think we didn't develop enough Indian artists, makeup artists, and like special effects artists, practical effects artists, that we could do that for Indian films.
I think enough films बन नहीं रहे थे for them to
I
have a
think yeah,
legit
the
career
horror
in
का
it.
जो वो है, the bias
100%,
towards
like,
horror.
one
that
is-
you mentioned.
One is that. I mean, don't know about enough to tell you
Right,
that,
right, of course.
but you're 100% right. Like the practical effects are the closest you're going to get to believability.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll tell you something. Like the best example is if you watch some of the recent Bhatt horror films. Here's what they've done. Okay, so my wife and I have watched. Okay, we've
Like, give
done.
me an example of a recent one, like the 1920.
अभी आया है कुछ bloody ish and
Oh, अच्छा.
literally अभी आया है.
I have no idea.
And one more, there was another movie that came out recently. I forget the exact name.
Okay.
It had, I forget the
Okay.
whole thing.
Sure.
But I'll tell you what the vibe is, and you'll. This is all on OTTs, by the way.
Huh.
So here's what's happening now. Now they have basically got the budgets down even more, right? So this movie, when you watch Raz today, you still see the effort. They've gone to Ooty and shot. This is all shot on location. There's still practical effects of lights flickering. There's like, these are real things. Now what they're doing is everything is in literally this studio.
Green screen.
It's a green screen.
Ah.
The actors aren't in a real space. Everything is, it looks cheaper than ever,
Correct.
right? And it makes you completely, not believe any of this. You need a level of like the worst part of Raz, the thing that's aged the worst, and it was bad even for its time, was when Bipasha is seducing Dino Moria when she's possessed, right? When she says ki wo banjar zameen, and
आज यहाँ
barish and
बारिश होगी.
tufan and all that, right? And she gets on top of him and she says कि अभी भी तुम्हारी बीवी को ये पता नहीं चलेगा, whatever that line is, right? And then you see this one glimpse
Yes.
of
A
whatever
burnt,
that
Yeah.
burnt, injured face. Yeah.
injured face or whatever it was, right? And you're instantly like, yuck.
Yeah.
Like, whatever this is, you shouldn't have done it.
Yeah.
Because everything up to it was creepy, right? Seeing Bipasha on the steps, creepy. Seeing, all her, whatever, it was still like weird. And that moment takes you out of the movie completely. So, my point is ki, unfortunately, visual effects are the worst part of horror, and they're necessary to make it horrific.
Right.
So, the movies that kind of hide that, like for example, Jaws is a great example. Ki, the mechanical shark didn't work. So they
So
were
you
like,
had to
we have
hide
to
it.
make the water
Yeah.
scary,
Yeah.
right? We have to make the absence of the
Correct.
ghost of the monster scarier than the monster. And so that's the great solution. That's the right solution. And the less you show those things, the better it is.
I think we need to have a film, like a horror film, where the husband is seeing things and the wife
Yeah.
is gaslighting him.
Yeah.
Because I want to see how well the wife's character is received in this case. Because
Yeah.
it's like we always get to see, kahin pe bhi ho, kaun si bhi language mein ho, the woman is seeing the ghost, theek hai, and the husband is just gaslighting her
Yes.
ki tumhe pagal ho, tumhe nahi dikh raha hai. Not once does he believe her
Yes.
until some other person,
Another man tells him.
another man tells him,
Yeah.
usually. So I want to.
But there is this burgeoning genre of feminist horror which is coming up in Hollywood. Have you seen Midsommar?
No, I
Yeah.
haven't.
Watch it. I
No.
think you'll like it.
Oh, nice.
It's yeah. I think. I
उधर
won't
भी
tell
वही
you
है,
anything.
gaslighting ही है.
हाँ, but then
gets a
the
comeuppance.
payoff,
Yeah, he gets a comeuppance.
is very
So
satisfying.
so I had a theory. I'd in fact I've done it as a joke also in stand up. Ki, the reason that you have women as ghosts or women and children as ghosts is because there's nothing that a man can do as a ghost
That'll be
that he can't do as a man.
Yes, that's
Right?
true.
We have the genre for man being scary is called thriller.
yes.
We have a different, like a
Yeah.
whole category.
Yeah.
ki-
That's called news.
yeah, exactly. Men are terrible. Yeah, this
Yeah.
is life.
Yeah.
So it's
Great observation.
and the point is that's exactly what I was talking about horror. Ki, like it's the world unnatural.
Yes.
What if women had more power? Right? Wouldn't that be scary? It is, because like in life you see what, like they're always the victims.
Yeah.
Right?
True.
So here's now let the men feel scared for once. Let's see what happens then.
Nice.
So
Okay, we're running out of time. Let's do the categories quickly. So Kautuk, Ras from 2002. What do you think? What aspect do you think has aged the best? What do you think hasn't aged so well?
I thought the set pieces across the film were really well done. Like a lot of them creep me out. Some of the standouts were, when she sees Robert.
Yeah.
That was amazing.
Oh,
Yeah.
and also because they've painstakingly again set Robert up.
Yeah, true.
Dheere dheere, like she's asked about him, she's gone and met his wife, she can't, and she's heard all these things, and then of course it was a dream sequence, rug pull and all that, but like the whole thing and ending with him hitting his head with a
Yes.
brick.
Yes.
Great.
Yeah.
In fact, even the introduction of Malini, that scene where she comes to the house, great. The fact that you don't see her face, that like she's doing all these like odd talking like Galib, it's all of it, right?
Very
And
poetic ghost in this. Yeah.
and the ending, I felt like that whole thing, because suspense is literally key. How many obstacles can you put before the person succeeds?
Correct.
And they've milked every single thing, right? So that whole sequence was great. The songs hold up
Truly. Yeah.
outstandingly.
Yes.
They're still like very listenable,
Yeah,
very
yeah.
like we've spoken about everything we need to, but it holds up.
Yeah. What hasn't aged well?
What hasn't aged well, I think, is the biggest one is the morality
Yeah.
of the film. Like it's completely off. Like,
Yeah.
like it just, yeah.
It's a boner killer.
And the thing is, the fact that you had to get the friend's wife character to look into the camera and tell you the moral of the story. It's so jarring and odd. Like I felt like that's the biggest difference between What Lies Beneath and this film, right? Like where in What Lies Beneath you had the sort of like the angle was that, look, here's the consequence of bad marriages, right? Of whatever, cheating husbands, of all of that. There was a very tangible villain. Here you just come off with like in fact, if you really analyze this movie, you feel the worst for Malini.
Yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
She's the real victim of this thing.
And Ashutosh Rana.
And Ashutosh
Ashutosh
Rana.
Rana.
Collateral
Possessed by
damage
Malini. Yeah.
and real victim, right? Both of them together. And these two have absconded. Have lived happily
Into
ever
the
after, and
hills.
we've all like hugged and amazing. Right?
उसको तो पैर भी ठीक हो जाता है और उसका एंड में ऐसा भी नहीं कि वो पूरी
exactly.
जिंदगी ऐसे चले
Exactly. Like there's no consequences.
Yeah, और वो भी मस्त ऑफ शोल्डर टॉप में उसको बुला रही है मेरे पास आओ. अबे यार ये क्या है?
And she literally ends with, after the deaths of these two people, my marriage really blossomed. It was the best thing that happened to both of us collectively.
Yeah.
And then we lived happily ever after.
Yeah.
If you think about it, this movie is basically a nice explanation for Tantra Mantra Vidya. You know how they say that if you are going through problems in your life, you sacrifice something or someone. They sacrificed two people for a happy marriage.
Yeah.
This is literally what happened, man.
And no consequences. Like the two cops who had come in the first 5 minutes of the movie when they've gone to Ashutosh Rana, they've never asked out.
Yeah.
क्या हुआ वो?
और वो भी जाना माना राइटर था, वो साइन कर रहा है बुक सारे. उसको कोई उसके फैंस नहीं पूछते.
I thought he was like, it was a library thing.
Oh, I don't know. I thought he was signing his
professor,
books.
so he must have been studying.
Acha, okay. No, I thought that was
He was like, because I've seen enough librarians, check out.
Yeah.
Acha, okay. No, I thought he was genuinely was signing.
I don't know. I can't
Ujjita,
tell
for you,
anymore.
what's aged the best and what's not aged well?
What's aged the best? I think Bipasha's acting. Honestly, not once did I feel like she was being cringe. Not once.
Yeah, it was all believable.
Yeah, very believable. What's aged the best? I think her acting. What's aged the worst? I think VFX, dude. I mean, for the first time, I can't believe I'm saying VFX. I never mention VFX in anything because I'm like, I don't understand this, so I'll never talk about it. And also, I don't care much about VFX. I care about the story.
Yeah.
But VFX.
But like which particular one did you feel?
The Wire wala.
The Wire has really affected you.
Yeah, The Wire affected me too much because I'm like, मैं डरी थी. तुमने मेरा डरने वाला बोनर तुमने ये कर दिया.
It's very interesting.
Yeah.
The things that people like, the things that people sort of like latch onto with horror, like different things that people kind of like see.
Yeah.
For me, The Wire I was just like, whatever it takes to get Ashutosh Rana to be a cold-blooded killer.
Yeah.
Like, I don't care.
Acha,
Like,
okay,
so
okay.
it just was like, okay, whatever, and
Yeah.
then something happens. But I feel like, yeah, like you approached it very differently. Like you saw it as like a...
Like I genuinely felt like Rajkumar Rao in Stree when the Stree shouting in his face and he at one point was क्या back कर रही है समझ गया ना मैं बस हो
Got
गया.
it. Huh.
It felt like that. So I think that hasn't aged well. एंड और 2-3 चीज़ें भी होगी मैंने थ्रू आउट द एपिसोड बोले रही कि अब याद नहीं आ
That's
रही है
true,
मुझे,
yeah.
बट या
For me, I agree. The music is really aged well. I think
Best of Nadeem Shravan.
best
Yeah.
of Nadeem Shravan.
Yeah.
Whether or not they were originally written for us, they still hold up.
Yeah.
The creepiness of the movie, I think, surprisingly has held up well. I thought I'll be laughing throughout the film, but I didn't. I actually
No.
believed the scary situations.
And
Or-
it's a 2 hour 31 minutes
Yeah,
movie.
yeah,
It's
yeah,
not like a small, like, jaunty 90. It's and it holds your attention. Like,
Yeah.
it really does.
And what hasn't aged well, like I said, the last 20 minutes of the whole Patni has to do the duty for the Pati is really like if you stop the film with 20 minutes to go, I think you have a pretty solid horror film. And then the last 20 minutes are really go downhill from there. If you had to program a double feature with Raz, which film would you choose?
Like if I had to, I feel like Raz and Bhoot would be a very good combination. Like
Okay.
I think one is like one Bhoot I felt was the more like stylized.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like
Yeah.
one is set inside a location and one is set around a location. So I think that would also.
Yeah, and both are very interesting because both are about a married couple. Both are
Yes.
about like a woman who dies because of some kind of affair,
Yes.
who comes back and
yes.
haunts. So like there's this like it felt like both are Malini Manjit are like it's one full duo that you
Yeah.
have going on.
The only difference is that we feel sorry for the ghost in Booth and we
Yes.
don't feel sorry for the.
Yes.
In fact, at some point, I think they have written the movie in such a way that we were actively they wanted us to actively root for her killing
Yes.
at some point.
Yes.
I feel.
100%.
Which one, Bhoot or Raz?
Malini.
Acha.
Yeah.
Raz.
Raz.
In Raz.
Yeah.
You're 100% right. Like the fact that again you have to really stop and introspect about the movie to realize who the real victim is,
Hmm.
right? Which tells you how this thing was written, like in the sense ki, like they've gone their extra mile to kind of tell you कि ये crazy थी, ये थी, she seduced him, not the other way around. And
उसको कौन बोला रिहैब से भागने को वो भी मेंशन by the way another scene so when she mentions this to Dino Moria कि पापा मुझे वापस रिहैब भेज देंगे you see this horror on his face where he's like oh fuck ये तो येड़ी भी है
yeah,
like you see it कि oh no she's not just being aggressive I think that is when he starts to like थोड़ा कि
Distance,
अच्छा
yeah.
distancing himself from her and also the fact that भाई इसको लगभग ना जाए like थोड़ा वो उसका वो भी आता है ना
dude, one of the scenes that surprisingly got me was when she's playing this Russian roulette suddenly. When he walks into the room and she's got this gun.
Yeah.
oh yeah
Oh,
yes.
that was like
yeah.
I was like, "Ye, अच्छा है, मस्त,
Yeah,
very good."
yeah.
It has a lot of these moments which are
Yeah.
really good. Like it's
Sorry, I'll also share my favorite moment in the film that when Bipasha enters Dino Moria her house and she looks at Dino Moria and she says कि मुझे बस तुम्हें अपने घर safely drop करना है उसके बाद मेरा तुम्हारा कोई रिश्ता नहीं रहेगा and then the moment she and Dino Moria they get inside the car goes out and her Bipasha's
Yes.
actual car comes in
yes,
and that is when you realize fuck this
Yeah,
ghost
yeah,
can
yeah.
do shape shifting
Yeah.
yeah.
so that was really scary
And the
because
maid,
that
the house help is confused. Like, oh, what is happening? You guys just left.
Yes.
and I feel like again like that is such a good setup for what happens next
Yeah.
because audience knows
Yes.
कि ये भूत है.
Oh, bhai,
Dino
आने
doesn't-
वाला scare आने
yes.
वाला है.
Yes.
And which is why that hair is just
Oh, shit.
beautiful.
Yeah.
It's beautiful because you're like, oh god, what is coming? And then he keeps
Yeah.
saying the thing that you don't want to
Yeah,
happen.
yeah, yeah.
Show me your face.
Yeah.
अरे तू मत बोलना यार 2 मिनट
Yeah.
शांति से आगे देख.
Yeah. Show me your face और फिर वो पलटते हैं and then you can see आधा injured face और आधा जला रवा डोसा. So
Yeah,
that
yeah,
also
yeah.
I feel is really nicely done.
And even this thing, there was one more scene. The Robert scene, I think, was
Yeah.
for me my favorite scene of the whole movie. Yeah.
If you had to program a double feature with
The
Raz.
Haunted.
Haunted.
Yeah.
Who's in Haunted?
that?
Haunted. Just give me a second. Let me check if it's the same film that I'm thinking about. Haunted is that Mimo Chakraborty film. Oh, you haven't seen Haunted?
No.
I have also
Kautuk.
not. So very few people have
Dude,
seen
I have
Haunted.
have I not mentioned it before?
No.
Okay, guys,
I'm very intrigued. by
watch
this.
it tonight. You will thank me.
100%. Do you know
and
where it
your
is?
wife both will thank me.
Where is Haunted? Do you know?
That I don't know.
Okay, fine.
I'll need to. Okay,
I feel like this will be on YouTube. Haunted full movie. You will get it. I
quite
feel.
possible.
Yeah.
I'll tell
Haunted
you
3D
why.
is the same
3D.
one,
मुझे
what?
अभी spoiler जरा भी नहीं देना because I want you guys to watch
Yeah,
it.
I know nothing about it.
It is genuinely one of the nicest horror films I've
Vikram
seen
Bhatt
come out of
also.
Bollywood.
Oh, very
Yeah.
nice.
And imagine both of them were newbies, huh?
Mimo and who?
Both Mimo and the girl whose name I'm forgetting. But she had also done a bunch of films after that.
Tia
Utthi badi nahi.
Bajpai is the
Tia
name of
Bajpai.
the
Ah,
actress.
Dude, very
Amazing.
good film. And this film also has one of those elements that is a recurring thing in R.L. Stein's short horror stories. You will know what I'm talking about once you watch the film. If you have read R.L. Stein
Yeah,
a lot,
growing up, yeah,
obsessively.
Goosebumps.
So, yes.
Haunted. Why? Nice. I've
yes.
never
Yeah,
heard of this
I will
film.
mention what is that recurring element in the comment section once you guys are done watching the film too. But yeah, I'll
Okay.
pair it up with
Cool.
Haunted because that also Haunted ka base bhi it has a very strong base and it has a very killer story.
Okay.
Oh, interesting.
So yeah, and also the climax is amazing. My favorite.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
I'll check it out. मेरा ट्रिपल फीचर है. The films I mentioned, कसूर, जिस्म and Raz.
Oh, great.
Watch it together.
Oh, the Bipasha Basu.
No,
Kasur is
Kasoor has
Bipasha?
Lisa Ray.
Lisa Ray, okay.
But Jism and Raz has. Lisa Ray was also offered Raz, by the way, but she couldn't do it. So yeah, but yeah, those three are very much the triumvirate of early 2000s, 2001 to 2003, this thing era. And finally, Kautuk, if you had to rate Raz on a hazard age well scale from 1 to 10, 1 being it hasn't aged well at all, everything seems archaic, and 10 being wow, I get something new every time I watch it.
Oh,
How would you
I
rate?
wouldn't go that far. I wouldn't go that far.
How much?
But
would you
it's a very, I think it's a 7. I think it's a
Okay.
very enjoyable watch even
Okay.
today.
Hmm.
Some of the, like, the music you would feel is dated but nice.
Hmm.
You know, like it's basically the whole film is dated but nice.
Actually,
the whole
yeah,
film is that.
that's
Like
a
it's
good way to
dated
put
but
it.
nice.
Yes.
Like it's enjoyable. It's very
Hmm.
enjoyable. So
Hmm.
it's not like it's not aged to the point ki you can forensically look at it and be like, wow, kya amazing. But
Yeah, yeah.
it's a ride. Like she enjoyed it and she's
Yeah,
like never watched
Not
it.
from
Yeah.
that era.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, everything was new for me while
Yeah.
I was watching the film and I was like, oh.
7. Urjita, for you?
एज डुएल के
Yeah.
इस पे ना आई थिंक 6.8
The 2 is for the wire.
Yeah.
That's the point 2 is just that damn wire. Yeah.
6.8. Okay, 7, 6. So me, when I started the episode, I thought I'm going to give it a 5. But I have to say, Kautuk has kind of little bit the way you broke it down. So I think I'm going to give it a 6.
Nice.
10. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. So yeah, I think for the first time in the history of this episode, a guest has
Has
moved
actually
my, my scale a little bit. So 7, 6.8 and 6, that's a quite high rating for Raz from 2002.
Yeah.
Let's very quickly wrap up the episode with the alternate ending segment. Okay, so this is the alternate ending segment where we suggest an ending other than the way the film ended, or we pitch a sequel. Kautuk, do you have an alternate ending idea? Because I have one. Do you have one?
I do, yes.
Okay, I'll go first because it's pretty straight and simple. I think the ending should have been that Malini should have possessed Bipasha's character and they both should have killed Dino Moria. That should have been the ending. Then they both get the revenge and Ashutosh Rana survives and it's a happy ending. So that's my alternate ending. What's yours?
That's very nice, actually. I would like that. Yeah,
Yeah.
very nice. My alternate ending is it's the post-credit scene.
Okay.
सब गाना वाना हो जाता है and then it's a nice shot of the Ooty hills and then cut to like somebody is narrating the story of you know whatever happened, like maybe an old man is narrating the story to a bunch of kids and then the kids are like तो फिर उसके साथ क्या हुआ and then the guy is like किसके साथ बेटा and then cut to Ali Asgar, he's driving, ठीक है, and then he's talking to somebody on the phone कह रहे हाँ जान आ रहा हूँ and then we come to know that he was also cheating on her on his so then उसका उधर ही accident होता है and he dies a much brutal death
My God.
because then the loop ends na ki the reason why she also targeted them is
Yeah.
because she smelled an extramarital affair here as well.
She's very anti extramarital
Extramarital
affairs.
affair.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Great.
Also, if
So,
you want to
yeah,
top those two alternate endings.
can't top them. I have two solutions. One
Yes.
is you follow What Lies Beneath properly. That's one. The second
Yeah.
is, okay, if you want to keep everything the same,
Yeah.
right? Everything the same,
Yeah.
you still end this movie by Bipasha saving Dino Moria's life.
Hmm.
Okay? She saves Dino Moria's life. But she she understands Malini.
Hmm.
And she goes like, you know what? I saved your life because I think the cycle of violence should end here.
Mhm.
But I don't think what you did was right to that girl.
Hmm.
And she leaves him anyway.
Oh.
And it's her full arc then from in a bad marriage taking sleeping pills to out of the bad marriage not taking sleeping pills.
Oh yeah,
And
actually.
has like... and
She
is
comes
full-
out as a better person from
Yeah,
the
yeah,
whole
yeah,
experience.
And then Dino Moria
It's-
goes looking for Malini's body because he doesn't know what she did with it. So he's like, now why don't you haunt me? Now are you happy? And he goes crazy.
Yeah, and Dino Moria is
मैं फिर
left...
बर्बाद होना चाहता
Yeah.
Dino Moria is left alive but with regret.
Yes.
You know, he still has...
Yeah.
realizes that he's made a mistake.
He's haunted by his past now.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
Nice,
he
cool.
realizes what I lost.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's what
I think we all gave pretty convincing alternate endings to Raz. Kautuk, thank you so much for being on the show, taking your time out.
This was fully my pleasure.
Please tell us where can people find you. Anything you have in the pipeline coming up, please let us know.
I'm on Instagram at Cowtuk, Cowtuk. I mean, we're doing... Oh, by the way, so...
So
when is
this will
coming
be out next week.
Next week, okay,
Yeah.
great. So the podcast that we were talking about in the beginning of the episode, the internet said so, is touring, and we're coming to Europe. So if you happen to be watching this from Amsterdam, Berlin, or London, please come for shows and watch Raz. It's...
Hey, very quickly. So your top three. Do you have a top three horror film or like
Of
a hall
all
of fame?
time.
Since
All
you're
time?
such a- yeah. Since you're such a big or the three that come to your head.
Not
right
just
now.
Bollywood, any.
yeah, I mean, like, I think... Look, top three and all, I would not
Okay.
want to sort of
Sure.
like... I can't think of it right now, but I
Right.
think memorable ones that I would want you to see is watch Haunting of Hill House.
Okay.
That's a really good one.
The show.
Yeah, the show
Ah,
is
okay.
a really good one. Hereditary
Yes.
was
Yeah.
very
Very
creepy.
scary, yes.
Very creepy. Yeah, you didn't like it? You know what Hereditary did for me? It was like, you know, horror, you have this sort of like a कि ये movie है.
Oh.
And then it got real. And I was like, hey man, why you did this?
Oh.
So
that
I didn't like that. I mean, and so it's bad in the worst way, which is good for a horror
yeah,
movie. Exorcist is great if you
Yeah,
haven't seen it.
Exorcist is really good.
And in fact, even the first Conjuring is very good.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Nice.
if you check those out.
Cool.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'll mention my also.
Okay, sure.
Haunted by Mimo. And what else?
No. Actual, like, really good horror film. I think this is my most favorite horror film of all time. The Orphan.
The Orphan is very good.
The Orphan. And उसके बाद उसका पार्ट 2 भी मुझे उतना ही अच्छा लगा था. And third one, I don't have any third one, but Haunted is a good film. I think everybody should
Yeah.
watch it. It has a good story. Acting, I'm not so sure about because मैंने बहुत time पहले देखी थी. But I still remember the story. So I really liked it then also.
Yeah.
And now tell where can people find you.
Oh yeah, you guys can subscribe to my YouTube channel @Urjita and also follow me on Instagram. It goes by the same username. Come for my live shows. I'm coming to Gujarat next month, 22nd September, Vadodara, Ahmedabad. Please come.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
The link for Urjita's tickets will be in the bio, so will be the links for the internet said so and Kautuk's social media as well. I would just give one recommendation if you haven't seen Long Legs, the movie that came out a month ago.
You
I
really
think
enjoyed it?
I liked it.
Yeah?
I thought it was really creepy. Did you see it?
I saw it and
Okay,
I...
we'll have a conversation off air. So watch Long Legs and follow me on Instagram. I'm AbbasMomin88 and at AbbasMomin on Twitter.
Yeah.
And thank you once again, Kautuk. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Urjita. We'll
Yes.
see you next week with a new guest and a new movie. Till then, bye-bye.